As a research engineer with a biomedical background, Vincent Dubourquet has developed robot control technologies that are now opening the very promising market of service robotics.
ROBOSOFT is a high-tech company created in 1985 as a spin-off of INRIA, the French National Institute for Research in Computer Science and Control. Ever since its inception, ROBOSOFT's objective has been to become a leader in the service robotics industry. We first started in the Paris area, but quickly moved the company to the Basque Country. This is pretty much our own version of Silicon Valley. We enjoy here the same lifestyle our American counterparts, and like them, we can take advantage of all the amenities of the area. After a hard day's work, we can chill out and recharge our batteries for the next day. In the first 20 years, we worked as an engineering company, custom designing robots for our clients. Now, our mindset is that of a startup, starting back not quite from scratch, because we have acquired a body of knowledge and know-how, but we do propose to achieve rapid growth. So the prevailing spirit is that of a truly ambitious startup, a spirit of adventure. This is a new challenge. As regards research and development, because technology evolves so rapidly, we need to hire young and competent engineers versed in the latest robotics techniques. They come from the most prestigious research centers in France, such as CNRS or INRIA. Having such cutting-edge talent on board is one of the keys of our competitiveness. As our name indicates, ROBOSOFT designs software for robots. We do this using a concept known as RoboBox. RoboBox is a set of hardware and software components which generate 80% of the intelligence of service robots. For this purpose, we have developed generic robotic algorithms, i.e. algorithms that can be used in all types of vehicles, from 2 to 6 wheels. When developing new robots, such reuse enables us drastically to reduce not just development costs, but also technological risks. ROBOSOFT's approach to robotics is geared towards professional service providers. Our robots are dedicated to such services as personnel transportation, high-rise window cleaning, and safety applications, both in civilian and professional environments. Our company is particularly proud of being identified as a strategic player in the robotics industry by major companies that are now very officially entering the business. These companies recognize our know-how, our skills, and indeed our leadership in this emerging market. RoboLab is a mobile robot designed to transport objects automatically on flat surfaces. This stable and robust platform, available in various versions that can carry loads varying from a few pounds to several hundred pounds, is extremely simple to implement. The embedded RoboBox allows autonomous and safe navigation between upload and download stations. Several navigation systems are available, such as underground inductive wires, transponders, or laser reflectors. Its flexibility and modularity makes it possible for a single supervision RoboBox to coordinate entire fleets of RoboLabs with all sorts of different paths and loads.
Equipped with a camera and remotely controlled, RoboLab can be turned into a true assistant for those who cannot move. For example, a web surfer can remotely control a RoboLab installed in a museum via the internet. Through the graphical user interface, he can drive the robot or indeed ask it to position itself in front of an artwork of his choice. With RoboBox implementing telecommunications applications, RoboLab allows the user to visit trade shows. It can keep watch on his home while he's away. It can even look after the elderly who wish to stay at home.
RoboRock 4 is an all-terrain mobile robot designed to withstand intensive use in the harshest environments, either for military applications or civilian protection. Its main missions are surveillance or data mining, where the use of human personnel is either difficult or hazardous. It is strong, fast, agile, and powerful. RoboRock 4 can also include various sensors and modules, thereby achieving greater autonomy. Its 100-kilo payload allows it to integrate various sensing or vision devices, from cameras to chemical sensors or radioactivity gauges. The embedded RoboBox allows remote operation from a control station using a Wi-Fi link. Additional autonomous behavior is made possible by the use of numerous embedded sensors. RoboRock 6 is RoboRock 4's bigger brother. It is able to carry more sensors and modules, but also to move on much more complex and hostile terrains. Its innovative articulated mechanical architecture gives the robot outstanding clearance capabilities on such inordinate terrains as stairs or quicksand. Complexity of control algorithms requires 3 embedded RoboBoxes. While it excels in surveillance and reconnaissance, it can also perform exploration missions in uncharted and complex territories.
Because of their architectural magnitude and complexity, some of today's structures present significant window cleaning challenges. Such a prestigious site as the Louvre Pyramid should live up to its image. And that is why every 3 weeks it is treated to a full polishing. Challenging access to the upper part of the pyramid and reputation concerns have prompted the museum authorities to opt for the ROBOSOFT solution. RobuGlass is a robot designed to scale smooth walls or slopes. Such advanced applications are achieved by the use of suction cups and tracks powered by separate pumps to provide the redundancy required to prevent the robot from dropping. The embedded RobuBox enables the robot to be remote controlled as it ascends the pyramid and to control its descent automatically by aligning its motion along the edges of the glass panels using optic sensors. The automatic mode makes it possible to control the cleaning process very accurately, optimizing the task not just in cleanliness, but also in terms of water consumption and chemical effluents.
Thanks to RobuFill, the Transit Authority in Bayonne has its own dedicated 24-hour-a-day gas station attendant. RobuFill is a robot which automatically refuels buses. After completing their service, drivers take their vehicle to the gas station. With the help of sensors on the surface of the bus, the robot can detect the location of the gas cap. It then places the nozzle in position and fills up the tank. The whole process is automated using the embedded RobuBox. Such automation makes it possible to take human personnel away from this often unsanitary and thankless task, while allowing for great operating flexibility and the precise monitoring of fuel consumption.
This is the French department of Moselle in the heart of beach country, on the fourth most important pole of the ill-famed Maginot Line, which reopened its doors to the public in 2002. Based on the principle of a combined cultural and amusement theme park, visitors are automatically driven around in computer-controlled automated vehicles. The motion is guided by a wire buried in the concrete. As the vehicle follows its wire-guided itinerary through the ammunition magazine, the passengers watch a show unfold as the journey progresses. In complete care of the robot, visitors are fully receptive to the emotional charge of the images, the sounds, and the staged events.
Slurries from the wastewater treatment facility at Forbach require regular churning, followed by drying and reclaiming. This labor-intensive process, conducted inside drying glass houses, where high temperatures are compounded by toxic emissions, has now been completely automated thanks to ROBOSOFT. The tractor used for churning is a standard tractor, which has been equipped with a RobuBox to become an autonomous vehicle. Thanks to laser sensors, it can find its way and move alone in the glasshouse. The staff first needs to program its mission using a graphical supervision system. In this significant case, automation improves working conditions while reducing risks and demonstrating how the RobuBox can turn any vehicle into an autonomous robot.